Hello everyone, another day as a freelancer. Probably on week 4 or 5? 6? How many weeks has it been, Vic?
5?
5? 5 or 6? Lost track now.
4 weeks. So you're...
4 weeks, I'm 5. I'm here with my beautiful best friend Victoria, and we are going to be working with a company called Case Furniture today. We're really excited to style and take and edit some photographs in my house. So they've sent over the products, I'll show you them in a minute, and I'm going to be capturing the photos, and the lovely Victoria is going to be helping me style them. We both come from a design and interior background, so we're working together and I'm so excited. So I'm currently vlogging on my Sony RX100. I'm also going to be taking the majority of the photos on the amazing beast that is the Canon 1DX Mark II, which is an absolute beast of a camera with a wide variety of lenses. And my A6500, which is right there. These are all of the things that Case Furniture has given me to use today. So that includes a really nice plant pot, some lights, portable lights that are dimmable, which is amazing, some architectural cards, which are stunning and so up my street, and some cork boxes, which you can stack and unstack like so. Vicky's also bought some amazing products from her house, some books, another cork box from Case, postcards, this amazing mirror, Japanese mug, some beautiful materials, more books, Vic's lovely money plant, another Japanese pot, and some other little bits and bobs. That's what we're working with today. This is first setup, and I just thought it might be quite nice to hear Vicky's thoughts on her kind of choices on styling this little corner.
The focal point we want it to be is obviously the lamp.
Yeah.
So I've tried to incorporate the same kind of cold, earthy tones within the books, the concrete, the textures, tying that back in with the stone.
Love that.
And yeah, but then also add like movement, so hence the same black font here is the same black font that we've got on here. So it's meant to look stylised.
This plant adds so much. I didn't have a plant before when I was doing a test shoot. It's just magic what a bit of green can do to quite a minimal corner.
I can't actually even put my finger on it what it does, but it just
it's life, isn't it? It's life, yeah.
Yeah, you're so right actually, yeah.
Changed it up, we've put the blue lamp. Would you call that, what did you call it, blue?
Teal, I'd go
teal.
teal.
Oh,
yeah.
There you go, she knows it. Teal, and so yeah, Vic's gonna explain the change up.
The person that's gonna buy the blue lamp is gonna be a little bit more eclectic, like their colour a bit more, so we've got one of the architectural cards that they gave us, and I wanted to tie in those colours, so obviously the teal matches with the light.
Really
nice.
nice.
The browns that go with the candle, and like the earthy tones of the plant. And then we've added some portmanteaus in here, just because the spines are really fun. And then the cork box ties in really well.
It's so difficult as well shooting natural light because you're constantly fighting sun. So this is setup number 3, location number 2. We've come to the coffee table where Vic and I have decided to set up a kind of more professional workers, someone that's going to make some beautiful coffee or some Japanese tea and sit amongst the light, which is slightly raised to angle the light more down on the objects on the table. We've got a book, a notebook, some lovely kind of postcard references with a lovely minimal Muji pen. We've got the kind of tones, earthy tones of like dark grey, lighter grey, this beautiful kind of brown ceramic Japanese cup, partnered with a money plant, and then this fake ferny plant. So this product here is the Sip Planter by Anne Kristen Einsen. Ironson, don't know how to say that, by Case Furniture, so you can find it on their website. And then the light here is called the Muro Portable and Rechargeable Lamp, and this is in the colour white. And if you just tap this little silver coin at the top here, it goes into 3 different stages of dimmable light. It's also portable, and yeah, perfect for the professional who likes to read and drink coffee.
Essentially what we're trying to achieve here is a lived-in bedroom scene that's a little bit more masculine. So we've tied in the kind of dark tones, we've got blues matching, the greys, the browns, and then of course having it with the beautiful lamp.
What I love that you've done is you've chosen a page from a magazine that's got a lot of like rock representation or sculpture.
Called in our portmanteau about charcoal sculptures, which is cool, which ties in with this artist.
Absolutely beautiful mirror. Where's that from?
This is Norman Architects.
Beautiful.
It's just seamless.
Classic. I can't see you, where are you?
I'm not there, honey.
Oh my god, you're not.
Oh my god. Oh my god, so bright.
I can't. Help. Half and half. Hi, and thank you for watching this video. And we've come to the end of the shoot. Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Case Furniture for giving us the items that we've been taking photos of today. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Also, I learned so much from Vicky, and you can as well. On my podcast channel, Untold Creations, you can hear me and Victoria talk about her life and her upbringing and her design background. She wasn't freelance at the time, but she's now been freelance for 4 weeks. I've been freelance for 5 weeks. But my 10 tips on how to start your freelancing career is the previous video to this. And tip number 7 was to remember who you already know. And this whole project with Case Furniture has come from me emailing a member of staff in her office that I knew, and you know, potentially she could be a future client for more work. So I'm really, really happy that I did that, and I hope that you enjoy the shots that we've chosen and edited. They're going to be in the next section now. Thanks for watching. Poor plant.
Really ripped it.